Understanding "thank God" in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, thank God. You may have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even used it in daily conversations without thinking much about it. But what does it actually mean, and when should you use it? Let's dive in and find out. When someone says, thank God, they are expressing relief or happiness that something good has happened or that something bad has been avoided. It's a way to show that you are grateful for a positive outcome. This phrase can be used in both serious and light-hearted situations. You can use thank God in various situations. For instance, if you just finished a difficult task, you might say, thank God, that's over. Or, if you hear good news, you might react with, thank God, they're safe. It's a versatile phrase that fits many contexts. For those who prefer not to use religious references, there are alternatives like, thank goodness, or, what a relief. These expressions convey similar feelings of gratitude and relief without the religious connotation. While thank God is a common phrase, it's important to be culturally sensitive when using it. In some settings or among certain audiences, it might be more appropriate to use one of the secular alternatives. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you now feel more comfortable using and understanding the phrase, thank God. It's a small but powerful way to express a big feeling. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips.